start World Population Day. World Population Day is an annual event which is celebrated on July 11th every year. The World Population Day was established by United Nations Development Program in 1989. In the year 1987, the world population crossed 5 billion and marked this day as 5 billion Day. The day was suggested by Dr. Casey Zachariah when he worked at World Bank. This day is observed to raise awareness of raising world population. China, India, and the United States are the top 3 countries that have the largest population count. According to the United Nations report, the current world population is 7.9 billion and it is impact on mental and physical health as well as on the natural resources available in the world. The population increases problems like poverty, unemployment, malnutrition, etc. This day also spreads the importance of safe family planning methods, especially in the rural region. The advantage of celebrating this day is to grab the attention of people together on a serious issue. The theme for World Population Day 2021 is Rights and Choices are the answer. Whether baby boom or bust, the solution to shifting fertility rates lies in prioritizing all people's reproductive health and rights. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye. Have a nice day.